For Slane Irish Whiskey as a brand in relation to sustainability, we are doing things at the distillery, but I think we also need to think about how we behave out in the trade. That means trying to tie in and support accounts that are doing sustainability initiatives of their own, and also encouraging others to change where we can. In San Francisco, I'm seeing some great initiatives to take waste ingredients and turn them into something useful. So one good example I saw was taking the juice that comes with the chickpeas, where the chickpeas are actually turned into hummus in the restaurant, and then the bar is taking that juice that would otherwise be thrown away and used as an egg white substitute in cocktails. It's brilliant. In LA, I've seen a good emphasis on championing what's local. So bars are thinking about what producers are around locally and incorporating that into the drinks program. And that's a great way to build stronger relationships in the locality, but actually it means lower carbon footprint because these ingredients are now traveling less distance, and that's good too. Portland has fantastic local produce, Oregon, all those local farms, and there's some great farmers markets there. And I've seen a real effort to try and champion local ingredients over ones that would come from longer distances or even be imported. You're lowering the carbon footprint because the stuff is traveling less distance, but also you're cementing a local relationship, which keeps money in the local economy, and you make some good friends in the process.